Hey, what's up guys? I'm Untitled from Chilli Pro Scooters. In one of our previous videos, we showed you how to replace your headset on your current stunt scooter. Well, today we have our base Rocky model, which is slightly different in regards to the headset. So, we're going to teach you today how to replace your headset on your base Rocky model. Let's get right into it. When it comes to changing your headset on your scooter, usually we will be using the fully sealed bearings that come on the majority of our range. But when we come to the base Rocky scooter, the headset is a little bit different because we are running a semi-integrated headset with semi-loose ball bearings. This is to keep the cost down for you guys so we can have a perfect entry-level scooter so you can get your stunts going straight away. So let's get right into how to actually change your semi-integrated, semi-loose ball bearings. And that is how you change your headset on your Chilli Pro Scooters base Rocky model. I hope this video has been super helpful for you guys and given you all the information that you need. If you want to learn anything else about a scooter, make sure you drop it in the comment section below, give us a like, and make sure you follow all of our social medias so you never miss any content from us. I've been Archie Cole, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.